right, Gary's Tours friends. We're now going to do a walk through of Plunkett Street in Killarney. It's a side street off of High Street. It's also where my favorite pub is, and it might be worth looking at. So, when we start at Plunkett Street, the first thing you see is AIB, which is one of the major banks in Ireland. And the sun has come out now, which is another reason that we're doing this, because things always look better in the sun. Remember, this is a video that's being done for you in 4K, 60 frames per second, which is as good or better than motion picture quality most of the time. The colors are more bright, more brilliant. Now there's Peter Cox photography. We just spent about 10 minutes or 15 minutes in there talking to Carol, who has worked for Peter Cox for 16 years, about photography. He does photography a lot of the nice sights and landscapes in County Kerry. Gets really great shots, and I think he does very good work. He also has coffee table books of photographs of County Kerry, which is what I'm working on. When I'm not shooting a video like this, and I'm seeing a beautiful landscape, I'm going to be taking individual shots, because there are a lot of software programs that take a still from the video, but the quality is not the same. So because the quality is not the same, when you they call it shot grabber. You grab a video from a still from a video, it doesn't look as good. You know, the same quality. So if you want better quality, what you have to do is you have to actually use the camera aspect of the iPhone. Now I'm using an iPhone Pro Max, which is the best money can buy right now. And I learned about 3 years ago, I was in France taking pictures of the stained glass windows in the church, and I had a Nikon camera just below professional level. Not professional, but just below. I tried to take pictures in a church of the stained glass windows, and it said, not enough light, not enough light. And wouldn't even let me take the picture. And I could have overridden it and forced to take it, but it was kind of too dark. So then I took out my iPhone. At that point it was an iPhone 13. Took out my iPhone, and it came out beautiful. So the iPhone camera aspect, in many times, is better than the professional quality large cameras that you have. And now iPhones are coming out with next year, I believe, 8K. This is 4K, where the the colors appear more brilliant and brighter. They sort of bounce off the screen at you. And next year, iPhone, I think, is coming out with a 8K. I've experienced 8K video on their iPhone Vision Pro goggles that they sell, and it's so realistic. In the demo that they did for me, they had a birthday party for children, and it was like the mother was there and the cake. I reached out to see if I could touch the birthday cake. That's how real it looked. And it's 3D. It's 3D, and it's 360 degrees around. You can turn around with the goggles on, and without missing a beat. You feel like you're in the scene. So it's absolutely beautiful. And that's the direction I think that we're going. So this is a walk out on Plunkett Street, and here's the Arbutus Hotel. which is one of my favorites, and Buckley's Inn, Buckley's Pub. I do go to Buckley's Pub a lot. I like the place, and here's the pub menu. I would promote it in this video. And the food is excellent at this pub, better than most pubs, because they're connected to an actual hotel. And they have live entertainment every night, and a courtyard bar when it gets warm. And you see the people are eating their dinner in the hotel restaurants, because the Arbutus Hotel has their own dining room and restaurant. So it's a notch or two above the kind of pub food you normally get in a pub. It's really hotel quality food for sure. And the bartenders are nice, and it's nice to go to a place, as they are familiar saying, where everybody knows your face. So I like it. There's a lot of bars on this side of the street, this part of Killarney. As I say, I'm planning on moving here ultimately, and I see apartments right across the street above those stores. And they go all the way back. What a great place to live. I don't want to live 10 miles outside of Killarney in a beautiful Irish cottage where there's no people. Interacting with people is what life is all about. I want to meet people, different people, and new people every day. As a matter of fact, doing this YouTube activity that I'm doing gives me a reason, a cause to interact with people that I wouldn't normally interact with. I'm normally very shy and reserved, or as shy and reserved as a former trial lawyer can be. And I don't really come out and talk to people all the time. But this activity has forced me to come out and talk to people all the time. Now, I'd like to see if I can get across the street and take a look at that church, but it looks a little challenging right now. I'm going to go down the crosswalk. Look at the beautiful flowers in the center. It was not so long ago, about 42 degrees. So I'm going to try to cross here now. Oh, saying don't cross. Red light. At least the camera will know the identity of who ran me over. And this is a Killarney Outlet Center. I don't know what they have here, but it might be fun to look at. Now this is another church. I think this may be the Protestant church in Killarney. I'm not sure. And I can't be sure that we're still on Plunkett Street. Plunkett Street may have come to an end right here at this point. So we'll at least walk up as far as the next intersection to see if we're still on Plunkett Street. Now it's changing from lots of stores to a more residential type of area. All there's B&Bs here, pavers, shoes, Trespass Performance Outdoor Clothing. There's the Railway Hostel, Friary B&B. There's a lot of interesting places. This is a boutique across the street. Wish we had more sun, it would look nicer. Kerry GAA store, Home Depot, Holland and Barrett, Claire's,